Here we have a 2023 Land Cruiser Prado fitted in black suede two-tone. So front pair are the updated seats, so much larger shoulders. As you can see, our seat covers are made custom made, so fit to the shape of the seat, hug the seat properly, fit to the wings. On the base on the driver's side you have access to your height adjustment control. Bonus center console top and airbag provision on the door sides of the backrest. In the rear seat it's a 60-40 split on the base with a 50-50 split with a fold down center access area, so separate headrests. As you can see, backrest split fold. Center panel still folds down and folds back up again. Bases are split, so seats can still slide forward and back like so. And access to the armrest with drink holder.